And this is the cabin. That's my little baby sister there.
Hi, Scott.
From
Michigan. From the outer reaches of Michigan.
This is the porch. That's what it looks like out front. Turn around. Well, this is what it looks like on the front porch. We're going back in. Da -da -da. Da -da -da -da. This is the dining room. Here's the dinette set. This is the living room. The master wash and dryer. How cute, huh? Yes. The back porcheruno. And the lake. That's the lake. There's the lake. That's a lake there.
Show them the paddle boat and the rowboat.
And you guys quit laughing at me, damn it.
There's water there. Hi.
Show them your boat.
Show them the pretty window boxes next door.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
It does. It's beautiful.
Isn't that pretty? Show Carol your 50th birthday present.
He's not 50.
Almost.
Is that for himself?
Close enough.
I got it for him. Yeah, he's close
Scott,
enough.
let me get you.
And that's the other side.
Scott, let me
Don't
hold
be
it.
so shaky, honey.
And you
Don't
go
fall.
out there
You'll
on
give
the
you
dock
whiplash.
and wave to us. Bring it to me.
Dun, 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 dun.
To your sister.
Dun, 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 dun. Let's get a close up.
Bring it to your sister.
Before she beats you.
Okay.
It's recording.
Okay. There's Scott going out the dock. What does it mean when the little green bar goes black? There he goes. Don't fall in. Don't drop your cell phone in either.
Don't drop your keys in there either.
Or your keys. Well, we can see your keys. Hey, Scott, come back. Come back, little brother. Come back, little Sheba. Come back. Oh, look at the wife. All glad to see him go. There's Ken doing absolutely nothing to do with what we're talking about. Look at them boats over there.
And Carol
Apparently Ken needed some attention.
gives us whiplash. Oh.
You guys are having a blast.
Look at the duckies, honey. Duckies.
Yeah, they were ducky.
Those aren't ducks.
What are they?
Geese.
Oh, well.
They
Them are called dinner.
Those look like wild
Yeah, them are
ducks.
called dinner.
Them are called dinner.
Them birds go better.
Peking duck.
Speak my dad's language. I understand it very well.
Okay.